Well, it has begun, guys. Stripping all this out. All this work for one little piece. Yep, gotta replace the heater core. Yeah, it's not a good thing when you see little teeth marks like that. All those little pieces everywhere. Yeah, I've been waiting a little too long to get this taken care of, but that whole box got to come out, and to do it, it'll remove all of that. Always cool whenever you find some hidden gems. Ooh, that one been there for a while. Let's see if it works. Ooh, dusty is. Yeah, got me a lighter. Well, getting further. Yeah, it's getting there. So far, here's all the pieces. Yep, more to come. Alright, about ready to pull this steering column out. I just got those 3 bolts here, and these 2 bolts here, and then up underneath here, got 1 bolt down in there, which we'll grab a flashlight real quick. That bolt right there. Yeah. Well, all the bolts are out of the dash now. Yeah, it's gonna be a pain, but it's fixing to come out. Yeah, that was rough. Here it is. There's the box. I think right there, and there's the heater core. Yeah, that's why you gotta take the whole dash out. But yeah, here's the pile of parts so far. There you go, there's the whole dash. Wiring harness on the passenger side, wiring harness on the driver's side, all the gauges, everything. There you go. Yeah. Alright, now it's time to get to cleaning this mess up. Yeah, I'm gonna do some cleaning in here, go ahead and get some wiring taken care of, but that's after I get that thing out. Alright, she's out. Got everything taken out. Went ahead and got a little further and started taking all of the wires and pulling them back. We're gonna get them cleaned up, get it on nice and pretty again. Do it right. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and take care of this right here. Get rid of this whole thing. Seal that off. That's that fresh air, so that way we don't have to worry about these little critters coming in no more. Well, I found out where that little motherfucker's been staying. Yeah, how you fucking there? Yeah, we'll get his ass out of here. It's eviction day. He gets back, there's gonna be a note on the door. Well, here we go. This is the beginning of the seal. We can get all up in the corner here. Go ahead and finish all the way that way. Get the rest of that cleaned up over there. Seal up in that corner. And then move on to the inside. Well, there you go. After all that fighting, finally got it working. But I had to take this wire right here. It got shoved up behind the dash right there, which I had to pull the dash back out to be able to pull that wire out. But it's in, it's working. Hells yeah. Yeah, she's a little bit of a mess from trying to figure it out, but yep, one wire is all it took for me to have to spend another 3 hours searching. But it's good to go. Now it's time to take care of all that mess. Yeah, I gotta clean all that up, but I'm gonna take me a break and clean that mess up first. Go ahead and get all that taken care of. Alright, let's see how well of a job I did. Defrost, heat, low, we'll see. Well, there we go. 10 minutes later. She's all cleaned off. Hell yeah. That's definitely a success.